So today I am going to make a simple rose water toner.
Today I want to show you
And
rose petal toner.
I mean, I set up everything already. Make sure you have yours.
What I do is
Today I'm going to be using
so all you can do is go get your rose from outside and use it with a scissors.
I'm gonna use
First,
2
you need
teaspoons
something to measure out
this.
your glycerin. So here I'm using
Not
2
teaspoon,
tablespoons.
tablespoon.
This is really hard to open. Oh, this is probably the first time I use this one.
Jeez. Just simply give it a stir. Give it a shake. And so guys, I use this in the morning when I wash my face, and I use it at night when I'm going to bed. You can also put some vitamin E inside of it, but I don't use a vitamin E in there because after spraying my face going to bed, I just don't want anything else on my face away from this. And this smell amazing. You can actually make this at home. And you can see that I have more in here because I make a whole cup. And this 2 bottles can last me for, I'm gonna say, about a whole month and a half. So you can go ahead and check this out, try it for yourself.